Hello everyone and welcome back to Muscle Lance Fitness, and today we are going to show you how to set up rotator cuffs on the tool gym. That's right. Alright, so first you gotta flip the machine around to the other side so that way the platform is facing forward. That's right, the adjustable platform. Alright, and then you gotta connect the cables to the system of the actual bench that moves. Next step is you're going to want to choose your weight. Don't put too much weight because this is a smaller muscle group and you could tear out your muscles. Alright, slowly go up and slowly go down. When you go up, you breathe in. When you go down, you breathe out. There you go, perfect form. Keep your back straight and do not move your hips at all. Make sure that you're squeezing your rotator cuffs on the way up, all the way up, the way up, all the way through. Alright, next up is our muscle group area that is being worked. Alright, so obviously for here the front of the rotator cuffs are being worked. You might feel it a little bit in the shoulders and obviously in your grip strength just a teeny tiny bit, and then as always with every single exercise you will be feeling it in your abdominal area as well, or shall I say your abs. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Unleash your animal and grab life by the horns.